TikTok has become one of the easiest places to make money online, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 ways that you can make an extra $10,000 per month on TikTok. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Chappell, and we work with some of the largest creators and brands in the world that you definitely know and love on their Facebook and TikTok ads, so that way they can make an extra $100,000 per month with their business. And we'll be covering 5 different categories today, from the lowest barrier to entry to the highest barrier to entry, and each of them have different ways that you can make money, and they all vary depending on what stage you're at in your life. And the very first category that we're going to be covering is the TikTok Creative Program. And the TikTok Creative Program is available to anyone who has over 10,000 followers or at least 100,000 views. And the Creative Program is a great way for you to be able to get into posting content on TikTok, whether it's about your daily life, where you do a get ready with me video, or you talk about your day in the life at work, what your favorite products are, what you have for lunch. These are very basic videos, but can be very relatable to a TikTok audience. You could even make a niche page where you're reviewing different online tools. You could do a reaction style TikTok page where you're reacting to different videos online, and really just about everything you can think of, there's a niche for it on TikTok. And what's great about the creativity program is they've started to phase out the TikTok Creator Fund, and now they've launched this program, which is offering up to 20 times the amount of rewards and cash available to you. So that means if you post videos and they go viral and do upwards of 100,000 to 1 million views, you could very quickly make an extra few $1,000s per month just off of that one video. And it's happening all the time. Creators are literally posting their earnings online, making thousands of dollars per video just by getting people to watch those videos. And if you get people to watch more than a minute of your video, or even 50% of a 1 minute long video, you can make a few $100s per video, which is pretty crazy to think about. So it's definitely worth considering if you haven't done so already. Number 2 is the Sponsor Plus Affiliate. This is where you can be a UGC creator, which is a user-generated content creator. And essentially you make videos for brands. Brands are willing to pay anywhere between $5 upwards of $1,000 depending on how well your video is, or if they just simply need content, you could be charging a few $100s just to make them a video. Brands have a shortage of content right now, and they're looking for creators like yourself to literally film videos on TikTok and post them for their brand, reviewing their product, and then they'll pay you money to receive that video for them to leverage in their own ads or their own content online. And you can very quickly reach out to multiple different brands by finding their TikTok page and seeing products that you like, reaching out to them via email, offering them your fee, and seeing if they want to do a video with you. Most of the time, these brands are looking for more content, and if the price is right, you could very quickly be making a few $100s to a few $1,000s extra just by making content for different brands. And you don't even have to post it on TikTok. You can just film the video, edit it, and then send it to them and receive the money. And that's a great way to be able to start your career in a TikTok creator ecosystem by making content for other brands. And then the part 3 to this is the affiliate side. This is where you're already posting videos on TikTok and you can go live linking somebody else's product, a product that you didn't even create, but you can make 20% of all of the money from the sales that you get on your live stream. So you go live and you talk about either a supplement product that you use in your daily life that you absolutely love, and as people buy it on the live stream, you're making money off of each purchase. And you can very quickly make upwards of $10,000, and there's even people out there that are really good at this, making $100,000 plus per month just by promoting other people's products. So you could find products that are motivational, you could find supplements, beauty products, and just go live every week talking about this product either after work or throughout your day, and make videos and tag that specific product. And as people buy it, you'll make money from every single sale and receive that money back. The 4th one is the TikTok series. And the TikTok series is where you sell an educational piece of content or a curriculum, a course, a fitness routine through your TikTok videos. And so as you're making content, you can actually tag a TikTok series, whether it's for 99 cents all the way up to $100 for those videos. And they can be in length up to 10 to 20 minutes long. And people can buy your workout routine for say $15. And you could say, here's how to get fit in 60 to 90 days with the program that I created. Go ahead and buy it here, and people can buy that series, get access to your fitness routine videos, and be able to make money off of every sale you get just by talking about an educational series that you record and then charge for on TikTok. That's called the TikTok series, and people are making tens of thousands of dollars per month just by selling that on TikTok. The fifth one, which is the highest barrier to entry, but is by far the most lucrative opportunity on TikTok right now, it is the TikTok shop. And that is where you have your own product listed on TikTok shop, and you're actually selling products to all sorts of people on TikTok. They're discovering you in the TikTok shop feed. They're discovering you when they're searching on TikTok, and they're even discovering you from the affiliates that you recruit to promote your product for you. And the best part is this is a very scalable model that can do hundreds of thousands, even millions really if you wanted to at scale. And the way you can do that is by leveraging TikTok shop ads. And I actually have an offer for you here where you can redeem up to $1,500 in TikTok ad shop credits to be able to spend money on ads and be able to see sales from that, where you're literally putting in potentially $8,000 and making back $5,000 to $10,000 in ROI. And once you know how much you're making, you can very quickly scale up from there and make more money with TikTok shop. And TikTok shop's a great way for you to recruit people and for you to make your own videos to get people to buy from your TikTok shop directly. You'll have more margin, and TikTok will even promote those products for you and give out potentially coupons to people to use on your products, and you're able to make the money all from that. It's never been easier to make money with TikTok, and go ahead and let me know in the comment section below which of these 5 opportunities you're gonna leverage to be able to make an additional $10,000 per month. Is it going to be all of them, or are you going to just select one? And if you are looking to take your TikTok shop ads or your TikTok shop to the next level and make upwards of $50,000 to $100,000 per month, then I highly recommend checking out our one-on-one ads mastery mentorship, where we show you everything you need to know around going viral on TikTok, how to run ads, how to be able to get your shop to be able to scale up to tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So definitely make sure to book a one-on-one call with myself and team, so that way you can see if you qualify. And once again, it's your favorite digital marketer here, Chase Chappell. Cheers and bye all.